Hey there. Ready to roll?
Hi. Yeah, I'm all set. Just let me grab my jacket.
Sure thing. It's a bit chilly out there tonight.
Thanks for picking me up. Your car looks great.
Thanks! It's nothing fancy, but it gets the job done. So, what movie are you excited to see?
I heard there's a new romantic comedy playing. I'm a sucker for those.
Sounds perfect. I'm up for a good laugh. Plus, it's always nice to spend time with you.
Aw, thanks. I always have fun with you too.
Alright, buckle up. We've got a movie to catch.
Let's do it.
We're here. Ready to grab some popcorn and catch that movie?
Absolutely. I've been looking forward to this all week. Should we get some popcorn, or do you want something else?
Popcorn sounds good to me. And maybe some candy too. What's your favorite?
I'm a sucker for gummy bears. What about you?
I'll go with some chocolate-covered almonds. Can't resist those.
This is going to be so much fun. Thanks for inviting me out tonight.
Anytime. I always enjoy your company. Plus, what's better than sharing a good movie and some snacks with a friend?
You're the best. Oh, the previews are starting.
Here we go. Get ready for some laughs and maybe even a few tears.
I'm prepared for it all. That was hilarious. I haven't laughed that hard in ages.
Right? It was even better than I expected.
Thanks for such a great night out. I had a blast.
Anytime. We'll have to do this again soon.
I can't wait to tell all my friends about it tomorrow.
Same here. Maybe we can even catch another movie together sometime.
Definitely. I'd love that.
Well, until next time.
Good night. Thanks again for tonight.